Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing some bud grafting and I'll show you how to do it. We have tea grafting or chip grafting, tea bud or chip bud, and this is our small cherry tree and we'll be selecting some buds for our grafting. So let's get started. In order to do bud grafting, you need a healthy scion with nicely developed buds. As you can see here, these are the buds we are going to use for our grafting. You can see the buds just next to the leaves, and we need a healthy branch like this one for our grafting. So let's select a branch here. This one is the best. So let's cut this, and we'll be using this one. Once you have removed the branch, you will be cutting the leaves so the branch doesn't dehydrate quickly and we can use the buds easily. So we'll cut the leaves. We'll leave the stems of the leaves so we can handle the buds easily until the grafting is finished. So this is the wild cherry tree we will be grafting on, and we need to select some branches that we can do the grafts on. I think we can do grafts on multiple branches. This one, maybe this one. So for a chip bud, we'll cut about ½ an inch below the bud. This is the bud we're going to use. So we'll make an incision here. And then from ½ an inch above, or an inch or ½ an inch above the bud, we'll make a cut like this and remove our bud. Here is the bud we're going to use. So we're going to make a cut on this branch. Here is our bud, and we want to make a similar size cut on that branch to put our scion in. Now we'll nicely wrap it. Now we don't want to cover the bud with a thick wrap so that it can break the wrap easily. So going over it just once should be enough. So it can break it. So that's pretty much it. So this is the plum tree where we did our chip bud grafting. It's one of the easiest grafting techniques when you're budding. And if you like my videos, press the like button and don't forget to share. Thank you.